Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I just want to go through some of those calls being called on those Telegrams groups, okay? And the call analyzer bot is I think I like this call, this bot, okay? So what it does basically, I already covered that in one of my previous videos, okay? When you go to the menu and we go top week, so top ROI channels last week, when we click on it, okay? Here we go. It's ability to go and take all the data on Telegram, okay, and it's actually making nicely looking stats for the users like myself or yourself, okay. We're showing us, which Telegram groups were the most successful in last, let's say, 1 week, and I think they can go 1 month, and also the all time, okay. So but let's stick to the last week, right? So guys, before we start, I just have to mention that this is not a financial advice. Whatever I say here is only for educational and the entertainment purposes. Do your own research. All those calls are very risky, okay? I know some people are making money, but most of the people, they don't, okay? So you have to do your own research before you make any sort of financial decision. Okay, so let's go click on this, the DexGens underscore portal. Okay, so before we clicked on this one, okay, we want to go to so-called color stats, right? So they were first in the past week. Okay, we want to know more something about this particular channel, right? So they had like 100x's over 100x and over, one call, 20x to 50x, three calls, 10x to 20x, four calls, and 2 to 10 calls to 10x, 24 calls. So, okay, that's cool. And the top winner of last week, according to their to call analyzer bot. Okay, remember this call analyzer is making research on this particular Telegram group, which called this ING coin, okay, in last week, and that call make them 203x, right? That's cool, isn't it? So let's go and click on this, and let's copy the address. Once we copy the address, we're going back here, and I'm going to show you how to search on that call. Okay, so now there we go. It's the call. So we got IMG. All right, and here you go, between 19th and 20th. Okay, so within the 24 hours, I believe that 203 X's were made. Okay, so yeah, pretty nice. Okay, guys, it's something which obviously we all know about those charts, okay, going up, going down, but the thing is that everything what you do, do not do rapidly. You just have to do your own research before making any decision, okay. I'm just sharing with you that some of those codes are really profitable. So let's say that you are part of this particular group. Okay, I'm not saying that this group is only the winner, okay. Look how many other groups were there, like, and they actually had a very good stats. For example, Ape calls 2021 return of investment 1,229%, 13x in last week, and so on and so forth. Okay, so it was. So there is a good chance, if you follow some of their calls, you might be able to make money, okay, but it's obviously not guaranteed. Okay, so let's go and see what that particular token is all about, right? Okay, so now we're currently looking at the market cap of 10 millions, okay, just over 10 millions, liquidity 526,000, right? Okay, so that's fine, and let's go and check their X account. Okay, they have like a 13.4 thousand followers. Looks like they actually joined just recently. Okay, so it's very a new account. Okay, I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, right? But anyway, they posting, looks like they posting quite often. But the thing is that they got so many of those followers, only just open at this month. I don't know. I leave it to you guys to decide it, right? So, okay. Then next thing is, let's go into their website. Okay, the website is here. Let's see if there's any stats regarding the monthly visits. No stats here. Other they block those stats. Because some of the accounts, some of those websites actually are able to block those crawlers, like SimilarWeb. SimilarWeb is showing you how many visits per month, for example, is visiting this particular website. Okay, so those people actually, they don't have much of a traffic, or they block those crawlers on their website. Okay, so there we go. So automatic Solana rewards every 5 minutes. Holders receive Solana rewards automatically distributed to their wallets. And here is the explanation how it works. Okay, 5% tax is collected from every buy and sell transaction. Tax is automatically converted to Solana. Smart contracts distribute its Solana to all holders every 5 minutes. Rewards are proportional to your token holdings. And here is a calculator. You can go and do it your own calculations. Okay, so why choose IMG? 5% tax distribution, auto chain system, fair launch, Solana rewards, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the economics. Okay, total supply 1 billion. Isn't there 1 billion? Yeah, I think so. It is. Yeah, 1 billion. 1% initial liquidity, 5% tax, fair launch, 100%. Right? Okay, so true launch, automatic distribution. Perfect. That's all what we want to know. Well, that's all what we see on their website, right? So that's fine. Okay, guys. If you want to hear more about them, okay, you either go to their X account. There should be also a Telegram group. Yes, there is one. Okay, let's go and join their Telegram group. And here it is. Okay, let's go and join it. Right. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, I joined that group. Is this something which is? I'll tap to verify, obviously. Okay, so let's go and see what's going on inside the group. There any like is this group active, or is it like how many people actually do some posting? Is it on a regular basis, like the infinity money glitch? Okay, just 11,902 members. Okay, and we see let's go to the last one. Okay, so yeah, that looks like they're posting regularly here. Okay, yeah, they are quite active here. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. No, I think that's it's looking like it's a quite engaged community, right? Okay, they on the pinned messages, script IMG rewards holders in Seoul every 5 minutes. Yeah, I think that's all. What it is just repeating whatever they said on their website. Several factors could influence the frequency at which your specific loyalty receives rewards. The total rewards pool is based on the volume. Lower volume means lower rewards. Depending on your bag size, rewards will stack and then be distributed once they outweigh the cost of the transactions. Additionally, Sol network congestions could slow distribution at any given time. It is also important to note that you must have a small amount of Sol in your wallet to receive rewards. Two unique IMG distribution system is what sets us apart from the competition. It is the first of its kind contract mechanism. To date, we have distributed well over $5 million. Anyone saying they aren't receiving rewards needs to read the above, right? Okay. Guys, I think that's look, I have to leave it with you guys to decide if this is a good or not when it comes to this project. I think that's the way you should start actually approaching those projects which they were called on one of those bots, like one of those Telegram groups. Okay, do not just blindly go and invest. You might find a good ones, but you also might lose all your funds. Okay, so it's better to do your own research. Okay, and you can start by just simply click on some of those goals, look through the stats, look through the charts. I see where we are. Okay, visit their socials. You have to make sure to visit their website. You have to make sure that they have at least a couple of one, if not more, socials. Right. For example, this one have their Twitter account. Okay, with over 13,000 people in it. Okay, and they also have their Telegram group with over 11,000 people. Right, and those people are quite active here. Okay, so if you get a questions, obviously you can go and ask them, and so on and so forth. Right, guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. Probably in future videos I'll be reviewing any some other calls made by maybe some other groups. Okay, because some of the groups are very successful. Okay, but for this video I think that's all. If you have any questions, leave it down below. I'll be leaving if you can leave me some sort of comments, as I said, just leave it below. And if you can subscribe to my channel, it'll be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.